Oh no. Oh crap, I realized I don't have the audio recorder plugged in.
Yeah, this is, oh man, that means this video is gonna have like no engine noise. I don't know, it's a new microphone, so who knows, maybe it is actually going to pick up audio really nicely. So this is kind of it. Whatever comes out of my mouth in this rant, this is going to be the video. Well, hello, name's Matt, this is Malt, welcome to the channel. I don't know what this video is going to be. I don't know. I don't like doing talkie at the camera videos because, one, I do not have a second GoPro to put on here to record my face, and I'm too lazy to have that set up in the first place. I lost my train of thought because this person is going so slow. So what is this video? I don't know.
I need to get out, I need to record, and I need to start uploading more regularly than I have been. I have been very bad and have not done that. So this video is basically just going to be whatever ends up coming out of my mouth. God help us all.
So yeah, what's new? What's interesting? What's coming up in this channel? I don't know. So I wanted to kind of do, I don't know, maybe I'll do a walkthrough on like setting up your motorcycle with pretty little Christmas lights. How I did it, why I did it, how you can do it safely. Because I've done this before with my Rebel 500 back when I had that, before I ever even started YouTube. I had the Husqvarna set up like this, the Svartpillen, for about a month. When I first got it, I decked it out like this because I had got it in December. And now this bike, I've got it set up. So I'm pretty confident I can set up basically any bike safely with pretty little LED Christmas lights. The only thing I'm going to spoil right here as a tip is if you're planning on doing this, I know that they make the lights that plug directly into the cigarette lighter, and they also make ones that plug into USB ports. So for those of you who have those on your bikes, I would advise not doing that. That's the only thing that I would say right now before I make a video doing a walkthrough about how I did it and why. One quick tip, get one of those battery powered. All of these are powered by a series of 4 AA batteries. That's it. 4 AA batteries is powering these lights. And this way I don't have to worry about if I accidentally leave the lights on or if I accidentally leave the key in the ignition, that the battery won't drain like incredibly fast. I don't have to worry about the battery just in general having any kind of parasitic loss. So yeah, if I were to give anybody some advice, if you wanted to do that, get the ones with its own standalone battery pack. That's what I can say. What else is new? Obviously I've got this helmet wired up for motovlogging. There is no video on that because the initial way that I had this wired up, I had like 3-4 videos lined up, and then I listened to the audio and realized my voice was inaudible in most places. So I had to make some significant adjustments to how I had everything wired up in my helmet. And this is kind of the first video, so if this doesn't work, there just won't be a video tomorrow. So I could just be talking to myself right now, more than usual. But yeah, otherwise, so far, nothing big, nothing super new. I've got a Santa hat strapped to my helmet. That's cool. I don't know how I'm going to show you because my mirrors are super difficult to adjust on the fly. So yeah, let's see. We got the lights, we got Santa hat strapped to my head. We got the headset all wired up in my helmet. And hopefully the audio isn't going to sound like gobbledygook. What else even is there? It's about time for this bike to get its valve clearance done. That's going to be scary. And right around that same exact time, it's going to be due for its next oil change. So that's about 600 miles from now. Basically, next time I have to clean and lube the chain, that's when this stuff is all going to be due. Yeah. I mean, shoot, that's soon. That's very soon. That's like, oh God, I might be doing that before Christmas. With how many miles I got this bike at like 4,000 miles. I put a crazy number of miles on my bikes, all of them. What else is going to be happening? The tires are going to need to be done. Spoiler, there will not be a video on this channel about how to do tires. I'm sorry. Pitchforks down, torches down. Let me explain. I am not in a position where I can get the equipment to do the tire change myself. Even if I were in a position to get some, I am not in a position to store any of it. So yeah, I mean, my hands are tied. There's nothing I can do about that. Valve clearance, maybe. I might end up doing the valve clearance myself. I have a Hayes manual, and I got it specifically for the purpose of doing all of my own maintenance. But at the same time, I just know that there are so many things that can go wrong so fast whenever you do your valve clearance check. So it's like, yeah, theoretically, it's totally possible. I open everything up, all the valves are totally fine, put everything back together, call it a day. But yeah, in my experience, my luck is not that good. So that's probably not what's going to happen. It'll be probably something a lot more sketchy, like I end up dropping a bolt right down one of the cylinders. That is way more likely. So there's a good chance I'm just going to take it into a shop to get the valve clearance check done. I don't know. We'll see what all you guys think. Do you want to hear my dumb voice trying to like explain how to do that? I don't know. Double check all those install videos I've got on this channel for like mods I did to the Svart Pillen. Check those videos first and then tell me if you really want me to do a whole video of me trying to explain how to do one of the more intense and nerve-wracking things that you can do to a motorcycle. Because frankly, I'm very much leaning towards just taking it in. Let's see, what else? It does need an oil change. That I will be doing because I've already done one on this bike. Spoiler. Let's see. Air filter as well. Probably going to do that. The brakes. Hang on. Mike could wait on the front brakes. The rear brakes just started feeling a bit odd today. Like they're still stopping me and they're not making a horrible noise. But when I start applying like moderate to heavy force to the rear, I start feeling like, I don't know, it feels like bumpy. Like not warped kind of bumpy. I know how that feels. It's not like, it's like, it feels like there's like these little tactile bumps on the, on the rotor that I can feel. That's all it feels like. It's nothing severe, nothing crazy. Whee! So let's see, what else did I want to mention? What else did I want to talk about? Nothing, not really. I just kind of wanted to do an update video. I mean, I know I didn't really talk about what's really happening to the channel. What you need to know is I want to do one video a week. Am I going to be successful? Am I going to pull it off? I don't know, but I want to. Okay, the desire is there. Whether the drive is there or not is debatable. I don't know yet if I have the drive to do that sort of thing. Does that make sense? Does it make sense to have the desire to do something but not the drive? Because that's kind of how I feel. I have the desire to create one video a week, but I don't know if I have the drive, if I have the enough desire to make me want to be uncomfortable in order to do it. I don't know. I suppose we'll see with this video. If it comes out, then that means I have at least some drive. Because, I mean, it's Sunday right now. It's November 28th, I think. It's November something, end of November. So if this video comes out before December, there's evidence that I do have some drive. Whether it's enough, that's up for debate. But, yeah, I want to do it. We'll see. At any rate, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry you had to listen to the ramblings of a madman throughout this whole thing. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would say give it a thumbs down if you don't like it, but YouTube in their infinite wisdom has gotten rid of that button, or it doesn't let it. You know what? It should still show up on my end. Go ahead and slap the thumbs down if you don't like it. Let me know if you just want me to shut up and do my usual ride around be dumb videos. Yeah, I don't know. I'm super behind on the comments too. I need to get on that. Anyways, I'm rambling now. Thank you very much for watching. So sorry for having you listen to the ramblings of a madman. And more coming soon. Have a good one.